This is my A size 3 size 2024 weekly market recap. From every trade I took, every trade I should have taken, the mistakes I've done, saying what were the lessons of the trades, what could we do the next week. This week was really strange. Saying on Monday we had a buy setup which I took. Eventually it ended up on a break even. Right, this trade ended the break even, as you can see. This trade I took ended up on break even on my way. Eventually the market tends to come back down. Look at liquidity. I had another setup to the buy side, but this happened before market opened. Right, save the liquidity before market open. I usually don't do that. And market boom went up here. I got stopped out right over here, right at the break even spot, because market went up, my way. What I took this trade, sweep of liquidity, 5-minute building block with the order block and fair value gap entry there. Boom, stopped out below the special liquidity, and TP1, TP2 right over there. Boom, TP1 was right over here. Eventually the market just took me out of break even, came back down right before market opened. Market took out liquidity, then went up back upside. So I was like, damn, I can't even take this trade just because I had this is my other setup to the upside. I couldn't even take this setup just because of a very simple reason. Just because of it touched my building block before market open, so I can't take it after from the building block. And my deal goal already got touched. So I was like, okay, there's no point for me to stay in the market, so I got out of the market, right? But I did take a trade here with a dumb trade. I should be not taking that dumb trade. I should be thinking better. I should be sometimes not taking every setup I see. That setup was really bad, really low quality, because it hit my ideal point of it hit my ideal take profit. So there's no point of me staying on that market. So yeah, after that, on Tuesday I did not have a setup over here. Market never gave me a setup, and on this trade I did take on this trade. So this trade, what I take this trade, market set the liquidity, right? But block pressure down, and he did it before market open. So looking for another outlet confluence, which I got over here. I'm looking for the 2-minute confluence, which was which I think was a super liquidity, right? And then I entered right over here. The sell side right below it, a couple ticks below it. Eventually broke pressure up, so I have to put it here, broke it up here, put it over here. I made 4% on this trade, so which is good, right? Fantastic. Market went on between my TP. Eventually, that's that. Yeah, that's my trade. Well, I followed every single plan in this trade. This is what I like to try to trade, right? But before that, I made a dumb decision on this. Saying this was an alright trade, follow every rule as well. This trade right here on Tuesday, on Wednesday, I had a setup for buys. This one, I made a mistake. I made that 15-minute rule of a value gap, saying higher time frame for a value gap and 15-minute time frame. But what the mistake was that when a 15-minute time frame there was a 15-minute fair value gap, opposing fair value gap. When there's an opposing fair value gap, I either enter before the fair value gap gets touched, or I let it get reversed, then look for an entry, or you reverse the fair value gap, or I let it come back down. Go right back, let it do a pullback, take out liquidity, change the general liquidity in that time frame. And for me to use order block and breakup blocks on that time frame, specific time frame, the 30-minute general liquidity has to be me. So saying one time frame above. So that's the mistake I made. But I did not write it down at that time. I wrote it down afterward. I wrote down, okay, that's like, okay, now I know I gotta do this, because I backset it, and that's how it is. But this trade as well ended up in a break even. If there's one real trade, I took a loss here, which is a dumb loss. So yeah, made one mistake on a week. This trade, there was literally no setup for me to take because FOMC. I did have a setup though, I just didn't take it because of FOMC. Right, on this other day, I didn't take no trades here because the market gave me the setup at 5 a.m. past my trading time. So I'm trying to be disciplined, so I didn't take it, and it did deliver him my take profit. But yeah, other than that, right when I hit this, there's literally no point of me staying in the market because he already hit my deal take profit, right? So I didn't take no trades on that day. Market on this day literally made another mistake, traded before a major news. So I'm not meant to be trading before major news like NFP, PPI, and CPI. Before that, cannot trade London session, right? So from now on, I won't be trading London session. I will be trading London session, but not in the major news day. Not in the major news day. I won't be trading in London when there's a NFP coming out in New York, when there's a CPI coming out in New York, when there's something like that coming up in New York. But I took a buy on New York session right over here, which is a demo trade, because I didn't have no real entry to take, so I was like, can't even take it. Okay, so I just took it on a demo, which hit a 8% gain. So yeah, that was that. And other than that, it hit my ideal point. There was literally, I was looking for a sell right over here. We're looking for a super liquidity on the NFP high. Never happened. Just market just dumped, boom, and no entry. So what was the lesson in this week? I made 2 mistakes. I made that 15-minute opposing fair value gap rule. But I wrote it down. So that right, I wrote that down, and I did the trading before major news. That was 2 mistakes I made. Another mistake, it was the fair take profit one, right? So what can we do next time is either we let the opposing fair value get inversed, or do a letter for a pullback, let the chain and drone locate that specific time and the fair value got touched. Only 15-minute time frame and above. And other than that is, do not trade before major news like NFP, PPI, and CPI. Everything other news I could trade before it. And other than that is, once your ideal take profit gets hit, do not stay in the market. Get out of the market. Other than that is, once your take profit hit, if it goes above a take profit, hold. So the next take profit goes below take profit, get out full position, because I made a mistake that on the NFP. So yeah, next week I'm gonna try. I will not try my best. I fucking will. Next week, follow every single rule. Follow my opposing fair value gap rule. Follow my follow my ideal take profit rule. Follow my take profit rule, my post take profit variation rule. I will follow my not trading before big major news rule. So I'll follow all these rules. Only made 3 mistakes, which is good. I ended a week with a green. I ended up on a 3% gain on the week. But yeah, man, this setup right here, I had a setup right here. I took a loss. What was the reason I took a loss? Because, you know, I traded before major news. Market just wanted to take me out and took me out, you know. So next time, it was an A+ setup as well. So next time, it just focus intensely not to trade before major news. So next time, just don't trade before major news. Follow every single rule that I wrote it down. Hey, I'm so happy. Everything was correct this week. Only made 3 mistakes. But from now on, next week, I will not make a single mistake next week on. I will not. I'm done of this shit. But yeah, next week we're gonna make zero mistake. If we do make a mistake, I'm gonna punish myself so fucking bad that my body will not even like it. Trust me. But yeah, that's my market recap. I've ended up in a 3% win on this whole week. And yeah, took 2 losses. One of the loss was due to because trading before news. Other loss was due to because getting the wrong entry, so I broke my rule. So the market took me out and gave me another entry for a break-even trade. But it's all cool. This week was much of NFP, but it's all cool. Next week, let's make zero mistakes. Let's cook next week. Let's make the next week the best week of our career and on. Thank you for watching.